The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted continued unsettled weather.
The heat wave is going to abate over Delhi and starting today. This was announced by the IMD.
The government's Weather Bureau reported severe heat wave conditions.
The IMD had forecast light rain and thunder showers.
And apart from New Delhi, Weather Office has also issued heat wave warnings for several North Indian states.
Every day, millions of lives are impacted by the forces of nature. But what if we could predict the storm before it strikes? What if we could foresee the floods, the heat waves, or the cyclones, saving lives in the process? Across India's vast coastline, fishermen rely on IMD's accurate weather forecasts to decide when to go out to sea and when to stay safe. A wrong decision could be life-threatening.
গত বছর মৌসুম বিভাগ আগাম ঝড়ের পূর্বাভাস দেওয়ার জন্য আমার মতো বহু মৎস্যজীবী প্রাণ বাঁচে, যদিও ঘাটে আমার একটা নৌকো ছিল, নৌকোটা সম্পূর্ণভাবে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হয়, কিন্তু মৌসুম বিভাগকে ধন্যবাদ আগাম ঝড়ের পূর্বাভাস দেওয়ার জন্য আমার মতো বহু মৎস্যজীবী প্রাণ বাঁচানোর জন্য।
Farmers too depend on IMD's weather predictions to time their sowing, irrigation, harvesting, and many more activities. Unexpected rainfall or a heat wave can destroy crops, but timely weather data helps them make informed decisions.
जो बेमौसम की बारिश हो से उसका किसान का नुकसान है, और जो समय पर बारिश होती है उससे फायदा भी है। ये हमने कपास बोई थी, मेहनत करी, पानी दिया रात में, बाई बोई, ये भी बारिश हुई थी, इससे पापड़ी हुई कृषि में।
वैज्ञानिक संस्थाओं में रिसर्च और इनोवेशन नए भारत के टेम्परामेंट का हिस्सा है। इसलिए पिछले 10 वर्षों में आईएमडी के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और टेक्नोलॉजी का भी अभूतपूर्व विस्तार हुआ है। डॉपलर वेदर रडार, ऑटोमेटिक वेदर स्टेशंस, रनवे वेदर मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज रेनफॉल मॉनिटरिंग स्टेशंस, ऐसे अनेक आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की संख्या में कई गुना का इजाफा हुआ है।
This is where the India Meteorological Department IMD steps in. IMD's increasing relevance in the daily lives of citizens. From providing agricultural advisories to farmers, to offering weather updates for aviation and defense personnel stationed in challenging terrains, IMD's services have become indispensable. The department's alerts now reach millions, ensuring real-time information dissemination. Mumbai came to a grinding halt on July 26, 2005, when a cloudburst led to 944 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours, claiming more than 1,000 lives.
That time we had actually given a heavy rainfall warning, and we did not have a Doppler radar.
A date etched in the memory of Mumbai's residents, marking one of the most catastrophic natural disasters in the city's history.
2005 में जब रेनफॉल हुआ, उस वक्त आईएमडी से जब हमें इंटीमेट कर दिया रेनफॉल होने वाला है, तभी हमने हमारे सभी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वार्ड में अलर्ट कर दिया था। लेकिन उस वक्त जो दोपहर को बारिश हो गई थी, उस वक्त बहुत ही हेवी रेनफॉल हुआ था, उसकी वजह से मुंबई में पूरा फ्लड हुआ था।
The unprecedented rainfall resulted in the paralysis of the financial capital, with transport disruption, massive damage to public and private transport, closure of airports with major vehicle breakdowns, disruption in communication networks, and the financial loss was estimated at 5.5 billion rupees, severely affecting Mumbai's economy.
मैं 2003 से महाराष्ट्र में हूँ और रिक्शा चलाता हूँ। ये 2005 में बारिश हुआ था, मैं यहाँ अकोला में मेरी गाड़ी फंस गई। मैं गाड़ी वहाँ 3 दिन मेरा रह गया।
In Mumbai International Airport, aviation is highly impacted with the heavy spell of rain, highly due to the low visibility criteria. During low visibility criteria, our operations suspended if it is RVR value going below 550 meter.
When there is a orange alert followed by a red alert, we generally issue the special bulletins for the disaster management, state government, and also related collectors where action has to be taken.
जे मौसम विभागचे लोक आहेत त्यांच्यामुळे आपल्या मुंबईला किंवा जे इथं मुंबईमध्ये जे काम वगैरे करतात त्या लोकांसाठी खूप काही ते कार्य करतात त्यांच्यामुळे मुंबईच्या लोकांना पण खूप काही मदत भेटते, सपोर्ट भेटतो.
With a mosaic of 6 radars in Mumbai, we expect to improve our nowcast also considerably.
जब भी हमें IMD बारिश का हेवी रेनफॉल का हमारे पास अलर्ट आता है तो हम लोग तुरंत ही हमारे सब स्टाफ को लोकेशन पे जहाँ पे फ्लड होने के चांसेस है वहाँ पे हम लोग भेज देते हैं.
बहुत बदलाव हो चुका है क्योंकि अभी पहले से ही BMC जो है अलर्ट कर देती है, अनाउंस कर देती है, पेपर में आउट हो जाता है. प्लस उसके बाद टीवी में भी दिखाने लगते हैं कि भाई मौसम विभाग प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए आप लोग घर से बाहर ना निकले.
For accurate and timely observations, we have recently installed AWOS, Automatic Weather Observing System. That is the totally new system installed at Mumbai International Airport. It includes wind speed, wind direction, temperature, dew point temperature, visibility, cloud parameters, as well as the rainfall. This is the new parameter that rainfall is reported in this system, as well as RVR that helps our forecasters to give timely warning for extreme weather events such as heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, लो विजिबिलिटी एंड विंड गस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया.
रिसेंटली हम लोग देख रहे जो सैटेलाइट हैं जो हमें फोरकास्ट के लिए बहुत यूज़ होता है 3DR एंड 3DS, साथ में उसमें CTBT भी जाता है, कल्पना सैटेलाइट्स भी है. हेवी रेनफॉल के लिए जब फोरकास्ट करते हैं उसमें हम लोग क्लाउड डेवलपमेंट भी देख सकते हैं जिसमें हमें दिखता है कि it is likely to develop more. Then we can issue the forecast according not only for the Mumbai but also in the Maharashtra region.
In June 2013, a cloud burst that increased the flow of the Mandakini river flooded the Kedarnath valley in Uttarakhand, India, triggering devastating floods and landslides, particularly in the Kedarnath valley, resulting in a major natural disaster that claimed over 6,000 lives.
हम यहाँ पर करीबन 14 से 15 साल पुरानी दुकान है यहाँ पर. और जैसा कि अभी आपने देखा होगा कि केदारनाथ में जो आपदा आई थी उस टाइम भी हमें कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुई थी उस चीज़ की, तो उस सबसे बड़ी त्रासदी का माहौल हो गया था. और यहाँ भी काफ़ी उससे फ़र्क पड़ा था क्योंकि जब लोगों का आना जाना होता है तो फिर पूरा मार्केट वगैरह भरा रहता है.
यहाँ पर जैसे रडार अभी इसको लगे हुए 2-3 साल हुए भी 2010-12 में अगर लगता तो जो आपदा है यहाँ केदारनाथ बद्रीनाथ जी यहाँ भी हुआ, बहुत काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ. अगर ये 2012-13 में लगते तो शायद इतना वो नहीं होता.
The floods and landslides destroyed several villages and towns, including those around the Kedarnath shrine, but not the temple.
हम यहाँ सुरकंडा देवी में 24 घंटे 365 दिन कार्यरत हैं. 2013 केदारनाथ त्रासदी के बाद IMD ने सुरकंडा देवी में डॉपलर वेदर रडार लगाया है ताकि हम जितने हम 4 धाम हैं उस पर हम नज़र रख सकें 24 घंटे.
लेकिन इन 8-10 सालों में नए नए उपकरण लगे हैं और जिससे कि वैज्ञानिकों को जो शोध करते हैं उनमें काफ़ी मदद मिलती है. स्थानीय जो किसान हैं उनको भी मदद मिलती है.
In the face of increasing climate challenges, recent meteorological advancements are offering new hope for the people of Uttarakhand. This Himalayan state, often threatened by flash floods, cloud bursts and landslides, now stands to benefit from cutting-edge technology and proactive governance.
हमारे सामने केदारनाथ की आपदा आई और उस आपदा से सचेत होते हुए सरकार ने ये पहल की कि ये वो डॉपलर लगाए. मौसम विभाग केंद्र ने पहले ही सूचना दे देते हैं कि आज मौसम खराब होने वाला है या हिमपात होने वाला है जिससे कोई जान मान की हानि न हो.
With the deployment of Doppler weather radars in Mukteshwar and Surkhanda, real-time monitoring of weather patterns has become more precise than ever before.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे जैसे सुरकंडा देवी में रडार लग रखा है और इससे मतलब हमें काफ़ी जानकारी मिलती है, जैसे कहीं बारिश होना हो या बर्फ़ गिरनी हो, कुछ भी मतलब ना पहले ही जानकारी का पता लग जाता है यहाँ पे।
जब मौसम गड़बड़ हो गया तो तुरंत एकदम इन्फॉर्मेशन आ जाती है कि भाई फलानी जगह आज मौसम ऐसा रहेगा।
हमारे एग्रीकल्चर के लिए एक वेदर एक ऐसा टर्म है दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो इसके लिए व्हाट आवर गवर्नमेंट इज़ डूइंग इसकी वो एडवांसमेंट ला रही है इन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग। इससे क्या हो रहा है कि हमारे जो किसान हैं दे गेट टू नो प्रिसाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन कि अगर आज उन्हें सोइंग करनी है, अगर आज उन्हें अपना बीज लगाना है तो इज़ दिस अ फेवरेबल डे और नॉट।
These efforts are not just about technology. They're about saving lives, protecting livelihoods, and building a resilient future for the people of Uttarakhand. In June 2023, Cyclone Biparjoy struck the western coast of India. As the storm churned in the Arabian Sea, it became a powerful reminder of the vulnerability of coastal communities to nature's fury. But what set this disaster apart was something remarkable. No lives were lost. The IMD used a combination of satellite data, weather radars, and advanced computer modeling to predict the storm's path with remarkable accuracy.
The cyclone's path, intensity, and landfall location were tracked with great precision, helping the authorities take appropriate and प्रोएक्टिव मेजर्स।
उन्होंने 3 दिन के लिए पहले तो एयरपोर्ट को पूरा क्लोज कर दिया, आवागमन बंद कर दिया। दूसरा, उन्होंने जो कम्युनिकेशन को जो एंटीना वगैरह थे उन्होंने डिसमेंटल कर दिए। उनका जो फायर सेक्शन है, उनके जो हैवी व्हीकल है उनको उन्होंने सेफ साइड में लगा दिया। और स्टेट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट से भी कंसर्न किया था, वो भी इसी काम में लगा हुआ था कि कैजुअलिटी कम से कम हो और प्रॉपर्टी का नुकसान भी कम हो।
Utilization of the IMD data, it is very important for good role for navigation purpose and communication purpose, and given the storaging of the data, temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind and pressures and relative humidity, these all data we have last 3-4 decades we are storing the data and transmitted to the public and transmitted to the nation, utilizing of the proper data for the national purpose, national gain purpose, and growing of the shipping and movements and Kandla Port Authority.
इन साइक्लोनिक कंडीशन और एडवर्स वेदर कंडीशन में ये 24 आवर्स ऑब्जर्वेटरी कंटिन्यूस रहता है और उस डेटा को हम IMD मेट सेंटर अहमदाबाद को ट्रांसमिट करते हैं।
The loss of life was minimal. Their forecasts were timely, alerting millions of people days before the cyclone reached the land.
फ्यूचर में डॉपलर रडार की जो संख्या बढ़ेगी और सैटेलाइट हेल्प से हमारी जो ऑब्जर्वेशन कैपेसिटी है उसमें भी काफ़ी बढ़ावा होगा, एक्यूरेसी भी बढ़ेगी और इससे हमको साइक्लोन के टाइम में काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी।
I am sure with inclusion of more radars along with observation equipments, IMD will be continue with more accuracy future forecasting. It is very good for our port development and future developments.
This is a direct result of the synergy between the IMD, scientific forecasting, and the tireless effort of our local government, emergence, services, and communities. Not only India, we are leaders in cyclone warning for South Asia and Middle East.
Cyclone Biparjoy stands as a testament to how early warnings, collaborations, and timely actions can save lives and minimize damage.
Heat wave as an extreme weather event has recently become a concern for disaster management in India due to widespread and severe impact on health and environment. The combination of intense heat and humidity has led to thousands of heat-related deaths over the years. The 2010 heat wave in Ahmedabad resulted in more than 1,300 additional deaths.
હમણાં ગરમી બહુ પડે છે અને ગરમીના હિસાબે લોકો તાપના એ બહુ હેરાન થાય છે.
It was a deadly heat wave. We didn't have any system, so the heat action plan was implemented in 2013. To reach the city was the most important part of the heat action plan. During the summer months, we used to issue the alert when the temperature went beyond 45 degrees and we called it red alert.
As you know, Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation started द हीट एक्शन प्लान 2013 ऑनवर्ड्स। ये जो हीट एक्शन प्लान अभी प्रेजेंटली वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर द सिटीज़ ऑफ राजकोट, अहमदाबाद, पोरबंदर।
The IMD, in collaboration with the NDMA and local health departments, has introduced heat action plans to forewarn about heat waves and advise on actions to be taken during such events. Its aim is to increase preparedness, reduce the adverse impacts of extreme heat, and outline strategies implemented at the state, district, and city levels.
છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષથી જે આઈએમડી તરફથી માહિતી મળે છે એને કારણે જે હીટ રિલેટેડ ઇલનેસના કેસીસ અમદાવાદ શહેરમાં નોંધાય છે અને જે મૃત્યુ નોંધાય છે તેમાં નોંધપાત્ર ઘટાડો થયો છે।
गुजरात स्टेट में हीट वेव की जो अभी कंडीशन बनी हुई है, हम लोग 24/7 अलर्ट पे रहते हैं। हीट वेव का वेदर फोरकास्टिंग करते हैं और जो फोरकास्टिंग होती है वो हीट वेव सीवियर हीट वेव है, वो परसिस्ट कर रही है तो उसे अलग अलग कलर कोड के माध्यम से हम डिसेमिनेट करते हैं।
Thanks to IMD's proactive alerts, many states have introduced early measures, such as opening cool shelters, increasing public awareness, and providing drinking water to vulnerable communities, helping to mitigate the impact of the heat wave.
આજનું હવામાન વિભાગ એટલું એડવાન્સ છે કે આપણે મારે બહાર નીકળવું હતું તો જોયું કે ભાઈ કેટલું હશે ટેમ્પરેચર, તો ફોનમાં જોયું કે ભાઈ હા મારે ગાંધીનગર જવું છે તો ભાઈ ત્યાં આટલી ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ હશે એટલે હા ચલો વાંધો નહીં આપણે જઈ શકીશું શાંતિથી, વાંધો નહીં આવે, ડે સર્વાઈવ કરી લઈશું આપણે।
કઈ વર્ષો પહેલાં એવું થતું હતું કે તમને મોસમ વિભાગ અથવા તો તમને ગરમીની અથવા તો કોઈ પણ ઋતુની જાણકારી નથી થઈ શકતી, પણ હાલ સરકાર અને મોસમ વિભાગ એટલું અલર્ટ થઈ ગયું છે કે જેના હિસાબથી આપણે તમને ઇન્ટરનેટ માધ્યમથી, બ્રાઉઝર માધ્યમથી, ટીવી સમાચારના માધ્યમથી તમને જાણ કરવામાં આવે છે કે આવનારા દિવસોની અંદર મોસમ કઈ રીતેનું જઈ રહ્યું છે।
In the last 10 years, there has been as much as 50% rise in the accuracy of weather forecasts. Our installations are no longer confined to the IMD centers, but actually now everywhere in the space, in the sea, on the land. After 2014, under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, there has been a synergized ecosystem in place. For example, if we talk in the terms of figures, before 2014, the number of radars in this country was only 15. Today, it has increased by more than a double to 49. In the terms of automated weather stations, in 2014, the number was just 700. Today, it has increased by more than double again to 1,500. And if we talk about the balloon radio, which has a 30-meter precision, in 2014, the number was only 43. Today, it has increased to 56 in the last 10 years or 11 years.
The government's ambitious Mission Mausam is a Rs 2,000 crore initiative launched as part of the Modi government's. It aims to make India weather ready and climate smart.
Government of India has launched Mission Mausam to improve the weather forecast all over India. For that, it has been planned to establish various observing systems, both in situ and remote sensing, such as radars and various other observing platforms. And also, it is planned to have the state-of-the-art model to improve the weather forecast both spatially and temporally. And the last 6 months, we are able to deliver the highest resolution of weather forecast for 6 kilometers by establishing the state-of-the-art numerical model.
From distant forecasts in Kolkata to real-time updates from Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar now stands stronger with its own weather observatory. A new dawn for safety, resilience, and self-reliance. These advancements have played a crucial role in providing accurate weather forecasts for important events such as the Amarnath Yatra and Vaishno Devi pilgrimages.
कश्मीर में हम हमेशा प्रकृति से करीब रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रकृति का मिजाज अक्सर बदलता रहा है। आज बेहतर मौसम निगरानी और समय पर चेतावनी की मदद से हम पहले से ही अधिक तैयार हैं।
In recent years, the proactive initiatives taken by the government, driven by the India Meteorological Department's commitment, have transformed early warning systems into life-saving tools. From cyclones to heat waves and heavy rainfall, timely alerts have empowered millions to act, protect, and survive. Today, every forecast is more than just a data. It is a shield for our communities. The journey ahead is clear. Early warning for all, ensuring no life is left unprotected in the face of the severe weather.
As India faces the ever-growing challenges of climate change, the role of IMD becomes more critical.
IMD ने इन 150 वर्षों में न केवल करोड़ों भारतीयों की सेवा की है, बल्कि भारत की वैज्ञानिक यात्रा का भी प्रतीक बना है।
IMD, a commitment to saving lives, one forecast at a time.